Oh, I love this story. Whoa.
You like what you see?
Oh, it's asking me if I want to replay this mission.
Hey, bad, you like what you see? You like what you see?
We're doing it together. I love it.
Bro, just look at our characters. They're just like looking into each other's eyes.
They're staring into each other's
They're
eyes.
just staring into each other's souls right now.
I gotta replay
What's that
it.
glowy thingy on the map?
Enemies. I got a sniper. Let me snipe.
They're enemies.
They should be. Yes.
Ah! Ow!
Oh my god, I can't kill him. This shit.
Ah! I fell off the cliff.
Ah! I'm dying! Bad mouth, I'll save you!
Tony.
I couldn't save you. How the fuck, Wheezy? Oh,
Come on,
Hey!
Wheezy.
Can you not, you fucking asshole?
Wheezy! Get the fuck
Bro,
in the
fuck
car!
you.
Oh my god, dude, Wheezy.
Wheezy,
You're
get in the
wasting
car, you're
serious
making me
time,
knock-
dude. Get in the car.
Oh,
Wheezy.
fuck you, I'm just gonna toss a grenade at you.
Wheezy!
Oh no. Oh no.
Fucking
Finally, you fucking cunt!
Oh,
shit!
why? What the fuck was that landing?
John, we let fucking bad mouth.
Rolling
Oh,
over,
it's
slowly
flipping.
but surely. Okay. Let's go.
This is how real men drive.
Yeah. Yeah.
America.
Every time we crash on my screen, we just slowly like glide down and hit the ground like really lightly.
What did I hit?
You hit a well.
Wow.
For a bowl. I don't know what the fuck. Why are we driving in the water?
Because I like the sound of the liquid. Oh my god! I think we hit a deer!
This one's strong ass deer, bro. Our fucking car's smoking out.
God,
Oh.
can't even vape. Oh, he's like, shit.
Bro, he's just praying. He's just fucking praying.
Dear Lord!
Oh my god.
Well,
Let's leave the poor guy alone now. Nothing's happening.
We're going on to our mission. Weezy, get back in the car! I will
Weezy,
turn
get back
this
in the
car
car. That's a
around
hazard,
right now.
Weezy.
Oh,
God, Bad, put fucking child lock on the window, bro, so he can't fucking open.
Oh!
Bro, I feel like a dog when he sticks his head out the window. Like, Wheezy! What's up, bro?
We need a new car.
No,
We need a new car.
we
I
don't.
want this
What's wrong with
truck
this
right
car?
here.
Sure.
I want this SUV, okay? It's cute.
Okay. Cute.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do this stealthy, like ninjas.
Alright, yeah. Do this stealthy, okay, Bad? Stealthy.
Sure.
Okay, stop at the stairs. No, at the stairs, you idiot!
I stopped at the
Alright, let's go.
stairs.
Suppressor's on.
Pro
everybody.
driving.
I got this guy.
Here.
I got this one. I have a sniper. Oh,
I did too.
guys,
oh, nice
I
job,
had
you
him.
dumbass. You fucking missed.
That's it, we're clear.
Guys, I don't have cool weapons like you.
I'm your lead operator, Badmouth. I'm here to
I
tell
just
you how
have
to play.
I have the same weapon.
Watch when you shoot a chicken. They fucking explode.
Alright. Wait, don't shoot them yet. Oh my god. You don't just
Watch
shoot.
the
you don't just
chicken.
straight.
Tony.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, they fucking explode!
Oh my god.
Come on, guys. Stealth level 1000.
I killed that man. I'm crawling over his body.
Come on, man. Bad mouse, get on the ground.
Can't.
You'll be seen.
I'm sorry. My elbows hurt.
Fuck your elbows.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Ow! Fuck!
This does look
Oh,
uncomfortable
shit.
as fuck,
This
though.
hurts.
Like, if
It
this was
does.
real, this would be so uncomfortable.
Hi.
Oh, mark this. Mark this.
Come here, bud. I fucking walk into Wheezy. Look what I fucking found.
Oh.
What's up, boys?
Did you fucking
Oh,
do this,
who are
Wheezy?
these?
Maybe.
Who are these people?
Bruh, that was
Nice job, you idiot. They seen us now.
God damn it, Wheezy. This is what
I
you
didn't do
get for
shit.
playing-
Fuck you.
You were playing with the dead bodies.
I was playing with your mom's titties.
My boy Titan always gets front seat.
Yee.
Fuck you.
Let's get moving.
Fuck you, Wheezy.
Cartel is
I'm
going
the
around.
designated driver. You two were drunk, okay? All right.
Alright.
Oh fuck! Talk about us being fucking drunk. Just drive down a mountain.
Yeah, like shit.
Hey, hey, hey! I've given us to our destination safe. Don't worry, don't worry. It'll flip over. It'll automatically flip over. Safe.
Wait, can I try driving? I haven't drove yet. Alright guys, don't worry. You're in good hands now.
Let me fly the helicopter, okay? 'Cause I want to do some fun shit.
Oh. I got this. Got this. I got this.
What you doing, Wheezy? How you doing?
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, oh!
Is everybody okay?
I'm getting out. This is too dangerous. Ah!
It's not dangerous.
It's dangerous. I'm
Oh my god.
I'm here, Titan. Oh no. Oh no, there's a
Get
jeep.
back in the car,
It's
Bad.
chasing me. No,
Back in the car.
I don't want him.
Badmouth! Back in the car!
Oh my god!
I don't want to get in it. He's my
What the
workout
oh
buddy.
my gosh.
Tony, it's time. It's time to get down and do some push-ups. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
4.
4,
Get to the chopper!
5,
Get them!
Break.
Get to the chopper! Alright.
Stick. Oh my god.
Oh, actually, Titan, go on the other side. Because I want to do something funny.
This is so exciting. I've never been on a helicopter ride before.
Tony, my guy's really nervous.
I'm stupid.
I'm really nervous.
I can't. Oh.
I'm really nervous, Tony.
Wheezy, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't fucking
Wheezy.
know, dude!
Wheezy?
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
Guys,
So,
I'm
we're gonna
getting
take
out,
these guys
because
out
Wheezy
from the
sucks.
skies. Hey,
I don't know how to
Badmouth,
get
you're
out.
just jealous.
I
You
don't know
have a
how to get
parachute,
out.
So you can't. Alright.
I want to get out.
Badmouth, I need you to snipe them.
Oh wow, I mean, if you can hold steady. Wheezy! Wheezy! They're shooting
What?
me!
Shoot them back!
Wait, I'm reloading. Wheezy, I can't hit any of them because you're too high.
I got you,
Wheezy,
fam.
God, you're... I'm getting out. Land the chopper. Land the chopper!
Alright, screw it.
I'm going in there with a pistol because real men shoot with pistols.
Let's go.
Take cover. Ah! Tony! Help!
Long live the king.
Oh, help. Please.
Fuck, I can't kill you. Okay, get up now.
Help.
Punch you in the chest.
That really hurt. Stop. What?
Oh, we gotta do this stealth.
Oh, he has a scorpion.
Too late now.
I want that.
It is not too late. Look, I am stealthing.
Look, Titan, it's porn. Look at all this porn.
Look at all this porn corn.
Look at all these porn. Oh fuck, he's in the trash! You fucking
What?
dick!
What?
I'm fired for
Asshole.
Badmouth.
Titan revive me.
What the fuck? I'm so confused.
Second
What
time his
happened?
dick killed me.
Oh fuck! No! No!
Try and revive me, help, please.
I will. Get up.
Oh,
Is he coming?
Sorry. I'm coming for that ass.
Oh, come on, we gotta go.
Get some high ground. And we'll
Weezy, he's coming!
Fucking run!
Ah!
Shit!
Help me! Help me!
Die, no! Ah, shit! Get up, Titan!
Right fucking there!
I told y'all boys about
Titan,
what
follow
would
me, follow
happen
me.
if you're playing my cornfields.
Following you!
Oh, high ground! I have the high ground!
Okay.
Oh, it's okay, I got this, don't worry. Oh, fuck, I think I missed. No, I think I got him.
Fuck!
Damn, son.
Guys,
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was...
Too late.
Guys, I'm on fire! Pull me out.
This is what you get.
Shit! Fuck. Just like Star Wars. Revenge of Sith.
I'm gonna
Oh,
find
Weezy,
another
you fucking
factory.
shanked me.
Damn, that was close.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. And also comment down below if you want me to play this game again or any other game you want me to play for a video. And that is it for this video. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys, there's a guy standing on me. He's really ugly.
Ache.